So I'm inside Photopea. So now I'm just going to drag my image. I'm just going to open my file explorer, and now I'm just going to drag my image. So here it is. So now in order to remove the background from this image or layer, make sure to select it, and then go to select, and then select remove BG. And now here you will need to watch a short ad. Just click OK. And now I'm just going to click on close to close the ad. So here it is. And now let's select the mask layer, the layer mask, the black and white layer, right click on it, and then select apply. And now just make sure to export your image or layer in a PNG format to keep the transparency. So let's go to file, export as, and then select PNG. So now for the quality, I'm going to leave it to 100%, and then I'm just going to click on save. So now as you can see, the image was exported. So now I'm going to delete this image. So I'm just going to click on this icon here to delete it. And now I'm just going to open Firefox here, the download folder, and then I'm just going to drag the image I just exported. So here it is. As you can see, it doesn't have a background.